Good morning, guys. Grey sky this morning, although that's blue over there. Actually feels a little bit warmer. No sign of the sun. And the grass doesn't feel particularly wet. (19°C, 65 Fahrenheit). Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Poundland Halloween stock. 8:20 on the 1st of October. Morning, guys. Sea view this morning. Tide's right in, windows are a bit misty, and it's raining out there. So, the usual. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, tea. Good morning. The usual. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, tea. And a rather nice sea view this morning. It was a bit brighter, clouding up. Good morning, guys. Thought I'd let you see the sea view first this morning. A little bit dull out there. The usual breakfast. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, and tea. Good morning, guys. Quick look at the sea view. A little bit dull out there this morning. The usual breakfast. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, and cups of tea. Good morning, guys. A look at the sea view this morning. Breakfast. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, grapes, raspberries, muesli, tea, tea. Good morning, guys. The view out the other window this morning. It's grey this morning. Sea's still out there. And breakfast is still there. The usual. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, and tea. And sea view. Good morning, guys. Tea. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, tea. Sea view. Sun's not up yet, not fully. Sea looks pretty calm. Time to say goodbye to the face watching us. Good morning, guys. It looks like a grey morning, but I think that might be low mist. Nanny says the sun's going to come out by 10 o'clock and she's putting the washing out. Grass is wet. Just about 16 degrees Celsius, 60 Fahrenheit. No sea view this morning. Grass needs cutting. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Nanny's got the washing out. We're back from holiday. 8 o'clock. Good morning, guys. Grey this morning. It was misty. That seems to have lifted a bit. I did cut the grass yesterday and it's wet. Just under 15 Celsius, 58 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries. Charity shop stuff. Another vape. 8:45. Good morning, guys. Another grey morning. Relatively warm, considering it's October. Yes, I thought it was warm. 18 Celsius, 64 Fahrenheit. That's crazy. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Bit of 3D printing, tea light driven Christmas decoration that we used the cup warmer to heat. 8:45. Good morning, guys. Grey and damp this morning. Very light rain. So everything's wet. About 12 Celsius, 53 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Rubber band powered car. 8:30. Good morning, guys. Clouds are moving. Blue sky up there. A little bit windy this morning. Still got that sort of warm feeling. Not cold. About 18 Celsius, 64 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Broken handle straps from a carrier bag. 8:30. Good morning, guys. Looks grey. That's because it's very early. It's about 7:30. Saturday the 14th of October. And we're up early because the guy is supposed to be coming round to do the shed roof. We will see. About 16 Celsius, 43 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Condensation on the outside of the windows. Nearly 7:45. Good morning, guys. Beautiful blue sky this morning. Frost on the roof over there. And on top of my new shed roof. It's cold. About 3 centigrade, 38 Fahrenheit under the shed. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. And coming up to 8:30. Good morning, guys. That's almost a blue sky. Very high, very light cloud. Sun over there. Grass is wet. It's cold. Don't see any frost on top of the houses. About 5 Celsius, 41 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. That's to remind me I've got some repair work to do. 8:30. Morning, guys. Some blue sky up there. Cold again this morning. Sunshine over there. Just over 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, Tor missile. 25 to 9. Good morning, guys. A grey sky up there this morning. Doesn't feel quite so cold either. Oh, already done it. About 12.5 Celsius, 54 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, raspberries, grapes, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Nearly 20 to 9. Good morning, guys. Feels a little bit warmer out here this morning. There's some low grey cloud and blue skies above it. It's been raining all night. Just over 15 Celsius, nearly 59 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, raspberries, grapes, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. SEMA quad camera modification. Just about 20 past 8. Good morning, guys. Raining this morning. Not hard, but it is raining. So the grass is wet. Pizza crusts. Nearly 14 Celsius, nearly 56 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, raspberries, grapes, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. 10 past 8. Good morning, guys. Another grey morning. Not particularly cold. Little bit of a breeze. (12 Celsius, 54 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries. Pigeon on the bird table. Just coming up to 8:30. Good morning, guys. Sea view. Westward Ho. Tide's in. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries. Good morning, guys. Sea view. Tide is fairly well out. We can see a fair bit of beach there. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, tea. Good morning, guys. Sea view. A little bit more beach this morning. Tide is a little bit further out. Some pretty clouds this morning. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Good morning, guys. Grey and damp out there this morning. Yellow weather warning, I believe. A bit more beach visible. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Good morning, guys. Interesting sky out there this morning. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Television's on. Good morning, guys. Plenty of wave action out there. Sunshine down on the burrows. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Got the fire on. Good morning, guys. Blue sky up there, wispy clouds. Nanny's got the washing on the line already. The grass has grown. It's wet. The grass, that is. About 11 Celsius, nearly 52 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, tea, muesli, grapes. Ran out of blueberries and raspberries, just back from holiday. Nanny's been doing the washing already. 25 to 9. Good morning, guys. Blue sky up there. Bit of a cloud bank coming over. There's blue sky over there as well. (10°C, 50°F). Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Got all the fruit back again. 8:30. Good morning, guys. Well, there is some blue sky up there. And there's some big clouds up there too. Nearly 14 Celsius, 56 Fahrenheit. Honey nut cornflakes, grapes, raspberries, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. A little bit of solar action. 8:30. Good morning, guys. A grey morning this morning. There's a tiny bit of blue over there. I think we're expecting storms again. Just over 11 Celsius, 52 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Solar action. There's no sun out there. 8:30. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.